Hey boys and girls, it's time for another video lesson. Today we're going to work on Frere Jacques, page 12, number 54, Frere Jacques. And let's always remember when we take our trombone out of its case and we put it together, we want to make sure that that tuning slide out is a good inch, maybe an inch and an eighth, inch and a quarter, so that you're pretty much in tune with what I'm doing here. It makes a big difference as we're listening to each other as we play. So please make sure that that tuning slide is out and you're warmed up a little bit before you start playing along with me in our video lesson. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to play all the way through Frere Jacques for you, and then we'll work our way through it and we'll learn the song. So here's Frere Jacques from the very beginning. I start with B flat, C, D, B flat. That's my first four notes. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Well, sorry about that little flubbed note in there, but it happens, doesn't it? I'm not going to start the video over because of one note that didn't quite come out for me. And when that happens, play past a note and see what happens. If things completely fall apart, well, then stop. But if you recover and keep going correctly, then that's what I recommend that you do. So here we are at the beginning of Frere Jacques. And our first three notes, again, are B flat, C, D, and then we return to the B flat. These three notes are our hot cross buns notes, right? When we play hot cross buns, we play D, C, B flat. Well, this is those same three notes, but in the opposite direction, right? B, C, D, back to B flat. Let's play those four notes. 1, 2, ready, and play. And let's do that again. Ready? All right. Now, when we put these first four measures together, we have to remember and recognize that the B flat repeats when I go from the second measure to the third measure. So from the beginning, it's B, C, D, B, another B, C, D, B. It's very important that we repeat that B flat when we play that four-note sequence again. So let's do that right now. Here's the first 8 notes of Frere Jacques. 1, 2, ready, and play. How'd that go? Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, and play. Got it? Good. If you need to, pause the video for a few seconds and practice that again, and then come back. I'll be here. And now here we are at the number 2 that's circled, and we have 3 new notes, D, E, and F. The D, of course, is 4th position, E flat, and then F. D, E flat, F. Don't go too far out for D. That's a problem that we see kids do a lot. When you play a D, the end of the slide should be about even with the bell, D. When I come to my E flat, if I put my finger out, I can stop my slide in a pretty good E flat position. Notice that this bar is a little higher than the bell, right? For a good in-tune E flat. So here we go with D, E flat, F, and get up to the F. Don't let it slip down to a low B flat. Here we go. D, E, F. 1, 2, Ready, and play. All right, let's do that again. D, E, F, and then D, E, F again. 4, 3, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and play. Good. And again, pause if you need to, and practice that, and then come on back. And welcome back. Now it's time to look at the second line of Frere Jacques. And we have a 6-note pattern here that goes F, G, F, E, D, B. And that's a bunch of notes, isn't it? So let's cut it in half. Let's practice the first 3 notes, F, G, F. Watch. F, G, F. Do that with me, please. Ready, and play. Let's do it again. Ready, and play. Again, and play. Good, and make sure again that you're not going too far beyond 4th position. Stop at 4th. F, G, F. And now let's practice the next 3 notes, which is E, D, B. All right? E flat to D. Please don't play your E flat way down here and then your D way out here. The notes will be way out of tune. They will be wrong. It's got to be E, D, B. Here we go. Let's play that. E, D, B. Ready? Again. Again. And again. All right, so those 2 3-note sequences are not terribly difficult, are they? If you break it down into smaller pieces, it becomes much more manageable. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go F, G, F, and we're going to pause, and then we'll go E, D, B. Okay? So here we go. F, G, F, E, D, B. 1, 2, ready, F, G, F. Ready? Let's do that again. F, G, F. E, D. Let's do it again. E, D. All right, you get the idea. If you need to pause the video and practice that a little bit more, do it. Make sure that you're getting up to the high notes that I'm playing. Don't let yourself play those notes way down in the basement. Make your face strong and buzz fast, okay? Squeak those notes out. The more you make it up to those higher pitches, the easier it becomes. Now, we're going to play all 6 of those notes in a row without the pause in between. So now we'll go F, G, F, E, D, B. But you've got to get the first 3 notes correct. You've got to play F, G, F before you worry about playing the E, D. Don't get ahead of yourself. F, G, F, E, D, B. Think of the 2 sections in your head. Here we go. All 6 notes together. 1, 2, F, G, F. How'd that go? Let's do it again. F starts with F, G, F, and then E, D, B. Ready? Play. And you'll notice that I even sneak a little breath after F, G, F. You can do that too. Let's do it again. Ready, and play. All right, so again, pause the video if you would like to. Come on back, and now we're going to play the first two measures and then the next two measures. So we play the F, G, F, E, D, B, and then we do it again, F, G, F, E, D, B. Okay? So here we go on the second line of Frere Jacques, playing the first four measures together. Don't be frustrated if this doesn't go all that great the first time you try. But you got to try first time, right? Here we go. F, G, F. Ready? Go. All right, how'd that go? Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, and play. And then we continue with a pretty easy part. B flat, F, B flat, B flat, F, B flat. Let's do that. Ready? Go. All right. Well, if you'd like to play all the way through the song with me, then just start the video over and play along from the beginning of the video. Keep up the great work, guys. I'll see you in more video lessons soon. Bye-bye.